Why is iPhone security so important? Just ponder this for a moment. In today's digital age, our devices hold more personal and sensitive information than ever before. Your iPhone is not just a communication device. It's a vault of personal photos, financial details, and private conversations. Ensuring its security should be a top priority. One of the most effective ways to safeguard your iPhone data is through regular iCloud backups. This process stores a copy of your information in the cloud so that even if your device gets lost, damaged, or stolen, you can restore all your data on a new device. To do this, simply go to Settings, tap on your name, select iCloud, and then iCloud Backup. Make sure the iCloud Backup toggle is on. Your iPhone will automatically back up your data whenever it's charging, locked, and connected to Wi-Fi. Next, let's turn our attention to app permissions. Every app on your iPhone requests certain permissions to access specific data. This could include your contacts, photos, or location. Being vigilant about these permissions can prevent unauthorized access to your personal information. To review and manage these, go to Settings, then Privacy. Here you can see all the permissions and decide which apps should have access to what. A feature not to overlook is Find My iPhone. This tool helps to locate your device if it ever gets lost or stolen. It can also remotely lock your device, display a custom message with a phone number, or erase all your data. To activate this feature, go to Settings, tap on your name, then select Find My. Make sure the Find My iPhone toggle is on. Keeping your iOS software up to date is another crucial step in maintaining your iPhone's security. Each update often includes security patches and bug fixes that help protect your device from threats. To make sure you're running the latest version, go to Settings, then General, and tap on Software Update. Lastly, consider enabling two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to your Apple ID by requiring a second form of verification when signing in. To set this up, go to Settings, tap on your name, then Password and Security, and select two-factor authentication. To summarize, iPhone security is a comprehensive approach that includes regular iCloud backups, careful management of app permissions, activating Find My iPhone, keeping your iOS software updated, and enabling two-factor authentication. Each of these steps plays a vital role in protecting your device and the valuable information it holds. Remember, the safety of your iPhone is in your hands. Be proactive, stay updated, and keep your personal data secure.